Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Versatile Tutorials bring you latest software tutorials and the software tutorials which are essential for you to carry out video editing and other stuff. So let's move on to Lightworks today. We are going to see version 14 of the Lightworks. So let's get started. The first thing what we need to do here is that we need to go to the create new project in order to create a new project. Now let's just type the project name as sample1. Moving on to our frame rate, which has different options you can choose from, ranging from 24 fps to 60 fps. Now we'll select the maximum, which is the 60 fps, and click on create. Now our project has been opened. Now in order to import the video files, go to the local files and select a particular video file that you want to import here. Now I select a particular video file into our project. Now we can see in the project contents our video file has been imported. Moving on to the edit option, go to the edit. Now the video file which you have imported shall appear here in this format. Click and drag that particular video and place it inside the timeline. You should be able to see the video format as V1 and the audios in A1 and A2. A1 and A2 are the primary audio formats and V1 is the primary video format. So you can make V1 invisible and make it visible again, and A1 and A2 invisible and make it visible again. This invisibility option is for cutting out the video alone or the audio alone. I will show you that further in the video. Now moving on, since the timeline has been imported of the video's contents, now what we need to do further here is that we can go to our cutting options. So you have to drag this marker and place it in the position where you need to cut the video. I placed here just a sample and enter X. So this should be entirely showing you a line where the video has been cut. So in order to delete the segment which is previously here, split it up, you need to right click and go to the segment commands and click delete. So that will delete the entire portion which you split it up using a cut command. Now the video starts from here. Now moving on to the further things. Now what we need to do in order to split it up multiple times, you can do X, X again, and X. In this way you can place multiple points where you have cut it and it show as a reference point, and you can just cut a portion and club two of them easily. Now for example, consider this and I'm deleting it, and it should automatically just join with the previous part right here. Now moving on, further what we need to do is that in order to club two videos together, just go to the local files again and select another video which you need to club with this one. For example, I'm taking this video. It should appear on your project contents. Just close this preview and just see whether it's appearing. So it is appearing. Same way, click and drag that particular video and place it in your timeline. In this case, what I have done is that I selected both the portions, so the previous portion is reappearing again. To do the undo option, just Ctrl Z and you should be able to undo. Now carefully select only the particular video that you imported recently and just click and drag it inside the timeline. Now this should be fine right now. Now you can see both the videos present here. Now move the marker in a particular position where you need to cut it, and in order to club with the previous video, and enter X. Just right click on the segment you don't need and click delete option and just move the marker and just slide the video and just club it with the previous one. In this way, both videos can be attached right here. Let me show you. Let me play and show you. So this perk pretty much happens to be with the hook respawning time. So the respawning time of hooks depending on. So these two videos has been clubbed together, as you can see. Now moving further regarding the imports, we can also import an audio file and club it with the video. We can completely delete the audio with the which is present within the video, and we can import an external audio to club with the video. Now we can select this MP3 and import it into our project. Now moving on, we can see the MP3 which is present already, and now we just select the MP3 and place it in the secondary audio track, which is A3 and A4. Now what we need to do is that we just select invisibility option for V1 and A3 and A4. You can see the only A1 and A2 audio tracks visible. Now what we need to do here is we can select a particular cutting option and just cut the video and just move you can just adjust the movement or the audio tracks and import the same here. Here we see we move the audio tracks and we cut them, and you can see this audio is going to play from the start of the video. Now making every aspect visible, now you can play the video. So this is the MP3 I've imported, so it shall play the audio now which I have imported for the project. Now we have seen the cutting options and importing and other things. Now increasing the audio output of your project, go to the audio tab right here, and you have 5 levels of audio outputs that you can increase in decibels in order to increase the output level of your audio from your video. Now just check it out. So this is before you increase the audio output level. Now consider myself increasing this much of the audio output levels in decibels, and now you can see the difference. That's in my channel. So far I'm going a bit solid, and different type of playlist that is present in my channel, and starting about much in that. What you need to do, so it does certainly increase your audio output levels, and you can just adjust them in order to get the particular amount of audio that you require. Now that will be it for the part 1 of the Lightworks basics tutorial of version 14. Now we have seen the import options along with the video cutting, along with the import of audio and cutting the various parts of video and audio, along with the audio output levels in this video. If you need part 2, make sure to mention that in the comments, and also like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Versatile Tutorials. New softwares and tutorials for different softwares shall be accompanying within the next week. So stay tuned for the channel for latest notifications.